Okay, kids, only play around with fire alarms if you have a fire alarm collection at home. But never ever in a public building. The only time you get to play with fire alarms is if you have a fire alarm collection at home because you have a interest in fire alarms because you like them. It is totally okay if you mess around with fire alarms with your own fire alarm collection at home. But in a public building, fire alarms are not something to be messed around with because they are life safety devices that alert people when there is a fire inside the building and they must evacuate the building immediately and also notify the fire department to come and put that fire out, so this saves buildings from being burnt to the ground as well. And if you are caught pulling the fire alarm for fun and tampering with it in a public building, you will get into serious trouble, you will get fined, and you will get arrested by the police for false reporting and public endangerment and removal of life safety equipment. So you don't ever do that. So to recap, you only play around with your own fire alarms at home. Goodbye.